Okay, people, I'm at a museum of airplanes. So I was wondering if I could buy some airplanes. And I will buy airplanes. Pretty quiet in here. This looks cool, guys. Never really experienced this last time I've been here. And you're right, I have been here before. And I was looking for the thing I needed. And so I thought it was gonna be here. So I keep looking. And I found a Concorde there and some airplanes. That was an invent. And what I didn't forget about that one word I was gonna say. Today I'm losing my words because I was like so excited. Like last night I was so excited. Like when it was like midnight, I was like, oh, I'm so excited. Oh, hey Bob, look, the girls will like to see. Right. Wait, what is this? Oh, a 700-piece puzzle. I'll finish that in 50 days. That's how you used to fly back in the days? Oh, some Mario. Ooh. What's that? Canada. Canada. Well, look at these ones. Hey, I have this one. Don't you saw it in my last other video? Yeah, did you see it? Oh my god. Do it. Oh, hey, look. Oh my god, that one looks so cool. I have that one. At Tiha. Yeah, there's really much to see.
Pretty much has all of them, Papa.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe this one. Oh, you have it, man.
No.
Your friends.
No, but we can't find it. We can't find it. Can't find it. Well, yeah, but... Alright, bye-bye, guys.